Hello students, myself Deepika Rana from DR Physica channel. Welcome to all in this channel. Students, in the last video session you learned 5-dimensional formulae. So in today's video lecture you will learn more dimensional formulae and SI unit of physical quantities. So watch this video till the end. Let's start. 6 is a area. And symbol of area is capital E. Now the relation of area is length multiply breadth. Now dimensional formula of length is L1 and breadth is also L1. So here L1 into L1 that is equals to L2. So the dimensional formula is M0 L2 T0. Now the SI unit of length and breadth is meter. So the unit of area is meter square. Next physical quantity is volume. Symbol of volume is capital V. And the relation of volume with the other physical quantity is length multiply breadth multiply height H. Now the dimensional formula of length is L1, breadth is also L1 and height is also L1, that is equals to L cube. And the dimensional formula of volume is M0 L3 T0 and the SI unit of volume is meter cube. Next physical quantity is a density and the symbol of density is rho. Now the relation of density with other physical quantity is mass upon volume. Now the dimensional formula of mass is M1 and volume is L3. Now here M1 is as it is. L3 goes into numerator, it will become -3 and T absent, so T 0. So the dimensional formula of density is M1 L -3 T 0. Now unit of mass is kg, unit of length is meter and power -3 is as it is. And the unit is kg per meter cube. Next is speed and distance upon time is the formula of speed. Dimensional formula of distance is L1 and time T1. And M0, L1 is as it is and T1 goes into numerator, it will becomes T -1. And this is a dimensional formula of speed. Now the unit of length is meter and unit of time is second. -1 is as it is. So unit is meter per second. Next physical quantity is a acceleration and the symbol of acceleration is small a. Now the relation of acceleration is change in velocity upon time. Students, you have to remember this all relations and always remember for the dimensional formula we have to convert this relation into fundamental physical quantity. So here change in velocity means distance upon time and time is as it is. Now distance is as it is whole divided by time into time times square. Now dimensional formula of distance is L1 divided by time T1. Square is as it is. Here mass is absent, so M0, L1 is as it is and T1 2, that is 1 2s are 2 and T goes to into numerator, it becomes T -2. Now unit of length is meter and unit of time is second, -2 is as it is. Next is force and the symbol of force is capital F. Now The equation of force is equals to mass into acceleration. Now we have to convert this relation into fundamental physical quantity. So mass is as it is and acceleration equals to distance upon time square. So distance whole divided by time square. Now dimensional formula of mass is m1, distance is l1 and time is t1. But here square, so 1 2s are 2, t2. Now m1 is as it is, l1 is as it is and t minus 2. Now the unit of mass is kilogram, unit of L is meter and unit of time is second minus 2. Now next is work and the symbol of work is W. Now the relation of work with the other physical quantity is force into distance. Now put the equation of force, that is mass into acceleration and distance is as it is. M acceleration equals to distance upon time square into distance is as it is. So m into d square whole divided by time square. Here the dimensional formula of mass is m1, distance is L, but here square, so we have to use L2 divided by time square, that is T2. Further solve, M1 is as it is, L2 is as it is and T2 goes into numerator, it will becomes minus 2. Now unit of mass is kilogram, unit of length is meter, square is as it is and unit of time is second, minus 2 is as it is. Now let us understand second unit of work. So the unit of force is Newton and unit of distance is meter. Here Newton into meter is equal to joule and 1 joule equals to 1 Newton into meter. Joule is the SI unit of work. Next physical quantity is power and the symbol of power is capital P. And the relation of power with other physical quantity is work upon time. Now we have to convert this relation into fundamental physical quantities. Work equals to force into distance and therefore mass into distance square whole divided by time square into time is as it is, and that is equals to md square upon tq. Let us put dimensional formula of each physical quantities, and students, here all physical quantities are fundamental. Now the dimensional formula of mass is m1, distance is L but here square, so we have to use L2 and time is T, here power is 3, so T minus 3. Unit of mass is kilogram, unit of length is meter and square is as it is and unit of time is second minus 3. Let's take second unit. Here unit of work is joule and whole divided by unit of time is second, so second inverse. And the SI unit of power is watt, named after James Watt. Remember this conversion, 1 joule per second equals to 1 volt. Next is energy, means kinetic energy, potential energy, heat energy, etc. And the symbol of energy is capital E. Students, remember that energy is equals to work and the formula of work is force into distance. We have to use dimensional formula of work and m1 L2 T minus 2 is the dimensional formula of energy. Now the unit of work is Newton into meter or joule. So unit of energy is also same as work. Next physical quantity It's a momentum, and the symbol of momentum is small p. Now the relation of momentum with other physical quantity is mass into velocity. Now mass is as it is, and the formula of velocity equals to distance upon time. Now dimensional formula of mass is m1, distance is l1, and time t1 goes into numerator is -1. Now here unit of mass is kilogram, unit of length is meter, and time is second, -1 is as it is. Kilogram meter per second is the unit of momentum. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video lecture. Have a nice day.